20% is the big number today. And that is how much Ally Financial rocketed on Friday. The company reported an earnings beat that was well above expectations for the quarter. In their earnings call, Ally also gave a very positive long-term outlook. And the stock ended the day at levels not seen since September. All right, are we seeing any more big action in Ally Financial? And are we upset that we didn't jump in sooner, Garrett?
You guys have to bring this up. Like, this was kind of like a private conversation that I had with a couple of people, and then everybody just started rubbing my nose in this. Ally was a stock that on January 1st, when we put together our list of stocks that trade at very low gram multiples, looking with strong balance sheets, Ally was number 3 on the list. And I didn't make a recommendation around Ally, largely because I was concerned about auto loans. But here we are. The market doesn't care, and the stock has now moved 23% to start the year. I'm still going to sit on the sidelines on this. I feel like Ally is going to get crushed on the backside with quality of loans. And I just, again, I stuck with the company that was number 1 on the list. That was SkyWest, and that was up 19.2% to start the year. So thanks for bringing it up.
You're welcome, Garrett. Always love that. When it rains, it pours. Literally.
No, it's just. Look, it's the companies that you don't buy, the trades you don't make. It is what it is. Like, that happens, and you can't take that personally, and you get over it. I don't know a whole lot of people who were bullish on Ally. I think you can look through the whole media right now. You're not going to see a lot of them. So again, it was kind of a contrarian play, but again, you don't spend a lot of time harping on the trades you didn't make. If you do that, you'll just drive yourself insane.
Exactly. And then you're going to miss other opportunities coming ahead. Well, right. We do have some members in chat that did make some nice money on Ally, including Rich FM. So good for you, Rich FM. That's a good nickname to have after trading Ally to the upside. Oh, but let's bring Sean here. I want to ask you about Sophie. Oh, hi. Hello. Might as well just go back into the house, Garrett. It doesn't matter at this point. Sean, let me ask you about
a little elf behind you.
Yeah. How about a little SoFi? How about any other names in this sector that maybe can give you some more bang for your buck?
Well, I'll just address Ally. I 100% agree with Garrett. It was almost impossible to see that coming. In hindsight, the move really was because if you look at what the shares outstanding are and how many are held by institutions, what the float is, it had a very high short of float ratio at 6.25%, which is pretty unusual for Ally. So given the amount of trading and the daily volume, this thing just saw this crazy pop. I don't think anybody could have anticipated that. So for Rich, who got that, and hats off to you, because I didn't see that coming. Great trade. SoFi, that's going to be interesting. That's going to be another one because it's got a huge short position on it. I think it's a piece of crap, but you get the right side of that on an earnings beat or something like that. That thing could rocket.
For sure. Hey, Kenny, did you see anything with Ally and VWAP? A little love story there?
Yeah, it was an early dip and rip, but to your point, SoFi was the one I actually went for because that was coming up the rear, so to speak, or just catching up to its friend Ally. So we joined in on that one.